This is Pakistan Affair MCQ series episode 9 part 5. In this series we will cover maximum MCQs of Pakistan Affairs, so stay tuned with this channel because we are going to cover the complete syllabus for CSS PMS, and this series will also help you for any other job exam as well. So let's start with our part 5. Chaudhry Rahmat Ali introduced the word Pakistan in which year? Options are 1930, 1931, 1932, 1933. So the correct option here is 1933. At the time of partition, the fate of Balochistan was decided by, options are Party, Jirga, BNP, Akbar Bukti. So the correct option here is Jirga. Dawn newspaper was started in, options are 1940, 1941, 1942, 1943. So the correct option here is 1942. Direct action resolution was passed in, options are August 1945, August 1946, August 1947, August 1948. So the correct option here is August 1946. Direct action resolution was passed in August 1946. Book Jinnah, the creator of Pakistan, was written by, options are Hector Bolito, Hector Lane, Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, Muhammad Ali Jinnah. So the correct option here is Hector Bolito. Book The Jinnah, the creator of Pakistan, was written by Hector Bolito. The Spirit of Islam and the History of Saracens were written by, options are Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, Syed Amir Ali, Muhammad Ali Jinnah, none of them. So the correct option here is Syed Amir Ali. So the book Spirit of Islam and the History of Saracens were written by Syed Amir Ali. Mission with Mountbatten was written by, options are Michael, Lord Elton, Ellen Campbell Johnson, Lord Nazir. So the correct option here is Ellen Campbell Johnson. Mission with Mountbatten was written by Ellen Campbell Johnson. My Leader was written by, options are Zulfikar Ali Bhutto, Ziauddin Ahmad Suleri, Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, Muhammad Ali Jinnah. So the correct option here is Ziauddin Ahmad Suleri. My Leader book was written by Ziauddin Ahmad Suleri. Towards Pakistan was written by, options are Wahiduz Zaman, Ahmad Khan, Sir Syed, none of them. So the correct option here is Wahiduz Zaman. Towards Pakistan was written by Wahiduz Zaman. Transfer of Power in India was written by, options are Ahmad Khan, VP Menon, Lord Ahmad, Lord Nazir. So the correct option here is Lord Menon. Transfer of Power in India was written by VP Menon. Evolution of Pakistan was written by, options are Sharifuddin, Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, Sharifuddin Pirzada, Muhammad Ali Jinnah. So the correct option here is Sharifuddin Pirzada. Evolution of Pakistan book was written by Sharifuddin Pirzada. Muhammad Ali Jinnah was written by, options are Muhammad Ali Jinnah, Syed Matlub Hussain, Zulfikar Ali Bhutto, none of them. So the correct option here is Syed Matlub Hussain. Muhammad Ali Jinnah was written by Syed Matlub Hussain. Guys, in this video there are a lot of questions regarding the book and the authors. So if you find it difficult to memorize it at once, so just go through this video twice so you can just keep these options in mind for a long time from the exam point of view as well. Muslim League Yesterday and Today was written by, options are Dr. Safdar Mahmood, Dr. Nazir, Zulfikar Ali Bhutto, none of them. So the correct option here is Dr. Safdar Mahmood. Muslim League Yesterday and Today was written by Dr. Safdar Mahmood. Lahore Resolution was introduced by, options are Muhammad Ali Jinnah, A. Ali Johar, Maulana Muhammad Ali Johar actually, Fazl ul Haq, None of them. So the correct option here is Fazlul Haq. Lahore Resolution was introduced by Fazlul Haq. Famous book Thoughts on Pakistan was written by options are Dr. Latif, Dr. Ambedkar, Dr. Rahman, Dr. Rizvi. So the correct option here is Dr. Ambedkar. The famous book Thoughts on Pakistan was written by Dr. Ambedkar. It is an Indian author. The British August offer was made in options are 1940, 1941, 1942, 1943. So the correct option here is 1940. British August offer was made in 1940. Liaquat Desai Pact was announced in options are 1943, 1944, 1945, 1946. So the correct option here is 1945. Liaquat Desai Pact was announced in 1945. Struggle for Pakistan was written by options are Zulfikar Ali Bhutto, I.H. Qureshi, Dr. Safdar, none of them. So the correct option here is I.H. Qureshi. Struggle for Pakistan was written by I.H. Qureshi. Wavell Plan was made in options are 1943, 1944, 1945, 1946. So the correct option here is 1945. Wavell Plan was made in 1945. Shimla Conference was held in options are 1945, 1944, 1943, 1942. So the correct option here is 1945. Shimla Conference was held in 1945. Parity was the issue of options are VP Menon, Wavell Plan, Lord Nazir, none of them. So the correct option here is Wavell Plan. In provincial election of 1946, total seats for Muslims were options are 292, 392, 492, 592. So the correct option here is 492. In provincial election of 1946, total seats for Muslims were 492. In the provincial election of 1946, the Muslim League won how many seats? Options are 425, 428, 432, 440. So the correct option here is 428. In the provincial election of provincial elections of 1946, Congress won how many seats? Options are 930, 931, 932, 933. So the correct option is 930. In cabinet mission, how many ministers of United Kingdom were present? Options are 1, 3, 5, 6. So the correct option here is 3. Three ministers of United Kingdom were present in cabinet mission. Cripps mission report was published on options are 3rd March 1940, 30th March 1940, 30th March 1941, 30th March 1942, 30th March 1943. So the correct option here is 30th March 1942. Cripps mission report was published on 30th March 1942. The main theme of Cripps mission was the creation of options are New Indian Dominion, New Dominion, New India, none of them. So the correct option here is New Indian Dominion. The main theme of Cripps mission was the creation of New Indian Dominion. Quit India movement was started in options are 1945, 1942, 1941, 1940. So the correct option here is 1942. And it is an important MCQs, guys. So Quit India movement was started in 1942. In the cabinet mission plan, provinces were divided into sections. Options are 5, 6, 7, 8. So the correct option here is 5. In the cabinet mission plan, provinces were divided into 5 sections. Who was known as Sher Bengal? Options are Muhammad Ali Jinnah, Fazlul Haq, Zulfikar Ali Bhutto, none of them. So the correct option here is Fazlul Haq. Fazlul Haq is known as Sher Bengal. Lahore Resolution is also known as options are Pakistan. Options are India, Pakistan, Kashmir, none of them. So the right option here is Pakistan. Lahore Resolution is also known as Pakistan Resolution. Cripps mission proposed which status for India after the World War II? Options are Dominion, Free, Occupied, none of these. So the correct option here is Dominion. Interim government was formed in subcontinent in which year? Options are 1946, 1945, 1944, 1943. So the correct option here is 1946. Interim government was formed in subcontinent in 1946. Quaid-e-Azam came on 7th August 1947 in, options are Lahore, Karachi, Delhi, Dhaka. So the correct option here is Karachi. Quaid-e-Azam elected as the first president of the first Constituent Assembly on, options are August 10, 1947, August 11, 1947, August 12, 1947, August 13, 1947. So the correct option here is August 11, 1947. Quaid-e-Azam was elected as the first president of the first Constituent Assembly. August 11, 1947 is the right option. The Khaksar Party was established in, options are 1930, 1931, 1932, 1933. So the correct option here is 1931. Khaksar Party was established in 1931. The founder of the Khaksar Party was, options are Inayat Ali, Ahmad Khan, Inayatullah Khan, Nusrat Khan. So the correct option here is Inayatullah Khan. The founder of the Khaksar Party was Inayatullah Khan. Inayatullah Khan was commonly known as, options are Allama Iqbal, Allama Ahmad, Allama Shujaat, Allama Mashriqi. So the correct option here is Allama Mashriqi. In 1946, the mission sent by British government is called, options are UK mission, Cabinet mission, India mission, Pakistan mission. So the correct option here is Cabinet mission. In 1946, the mission sent by the British government is called Cabinet mission. The Indian Independence Bill was moved in the British Parliament on which date? Options are July 4, 1947, July 5, 1947, July 7, 1947, July 10, 1947. So the correct option here is July 4, 1947. The Indian Independence Bill was moved in the British Parliament on July 4, 1947. Lord Mountbatten was sent as the last Viceroy of India in which year? Options are March 1948, March 1947, March 1946, March 1945. So the correct option here is March 1947. Which act marked the end of the British rule in India? Options are, in which year the act marked the end of British rule in India? Options are 1948, 1947, 1946, 1945. So the correct option is 1947. So these are the 5 questions to test yourself, and I would like to solve these questions and share your answers and marks in the comment sections so I can know that these series are really helping you in covering all the syllabus and memorizing this MCQ series. Thank you so much.